Alright, now we're doing 7Q sort by last char. This is by PG1 and 92% of the people like it. We'll be given a string of words X. We need to return an array of each word sorted alphabetically by the final character in each. If two words have the same last letter, the returned array should show them in order they appeared in the given string. All inputs will be valid. Alright, cool. So for this one, we're going to set this to the concise syntax. Const last equals X, and then the rest is an arrow. So for this one, what we're going to do is we're going to split this. Where is it? We're going to split this by the spaces, right? So that every word has its own element. And then we're going to sort it by the last character. I mean, just basically exactly what it says. And to do that, we're going to use the sort method. And I'll show you what I'm talking about. First thing we're going to do is we're going to use the split method to take a pattern and divide a string into an ordered list of substrings by searching for the pattern, putting the substrings into an array, and returning the array. So we're going to split it by the spaces in between the words, right? So we're going to say x.split by these spaces, all right? And now we're going to sort it. Let's go down to this line. So we're going to sort it, and we're going to do the sort method using the sort method sorts the elements of the array in place and returns the reference to the same array now sorted. And this is important. The default sort order is ascending, built upon converting the elements into strings, then comparing their sequences of UTF-16 code units. All right. So basically, it's just usually it just takes like this first letter and compares it to the others UTF-16 code units. But now we've got to compare it to the UTF-16 code units of these last letters. So to do that, let's start it up first. Let's go dot sort, and here's the syntax we're going to be using. We're going to be using this arrow function syntax, which is sort. We're going to have A, B as parameters, an arrow, and then an expression. All right, so sort A, comma B, an arrow, and for the expression, we're going to say A dot, and we're going to use this charCodeAt method that returns an integer between 0 and that number representing the UTF-16 code unit at the given index, okay? So we're going to say A dot, what was it, charCodeAt, and we're going to have, what is it? We're going to have A dot length minus 1, all right? And that's going to get us the charCodeAt, the last character, all right? So now we've got the A, and we're going to put the B first. Wait, are we doing it in descending or ascending? Okay, we're doing it in ascending. So we're going to say A minus, and we're going to do the same thing. But we're going to change it to B. All right. And that should take care of it right like that. Let's see, test it out. All right, it does, awesome. Attempt it, good. We're going to submit it. Very much like this one. It's pretty much the exact same as this one here. Let's go to My Solutions. 39 people plus us. Let's say best practice right here, and we'll see you next time.